Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about Laravel folder structure. In this Laravel folder structure, basically app, routes, resources, public and configuration, database. These are main folders. And go to Laravel folder. In this folder, app, configuration. In the app, there is HTTP models. Inside the HTTP, there are controllers. First, we'll think it app, routes, resources, public, configuration, database. In this, first app folder. App folder to contains the core application code. That means business logic. This one to includes models, database, tables, and controllers. That means handle the requests. Next, middleware. For example, app models user.php, u capital user.php. In this class user extends model. Inside the model, protected $table is equal to users. Okay. Next we will check inside the test, inside the model, inside the user. In this okay, and app HTTP controllers user controller.php. Inside this class user controller extends controller. Inside this public function index return users list. Okay, and this we will check HTTP controllers controller.php. Okay, and next coming to routes folder. Routes folder. Routes folder. Routes folder defines the application URLs. That means routes. In this main file web.php. Example for this routes web.php. Using root get users user controller class index. Okay, in this when you open dot users, it calls user controller. At the rate of index. This one will see roots. Inside the roots, web.php. Inside this, okay. And next coming to resources folder. In the resources folder contains views, that means UI files and front end assets. This one includes blade templates, that means .blade.php, and CSS and JS if not compiled. Okay, example for this: resources views welcome.blade.php. In this h1 welcome to Laravel. Okay, this one we'll see test Laravel app resources. Inside the resources views welcome.blade. In this we'll see in this h1 welcome to Laravel. Okay, copy and go to Laravel project. Yes, welcome to Laravel. Suppose if you change anything, okay, welcome to Laravel. Next coming to public folder. Public folder to entry point of the application, that means contains index.php. This one to use it for images, CSS and JS folder, JS files. For example, for this public, inside the public index.php, inside this CSS folder, inside this images. Okay, and browser access files from here. Okay, now we'll check public inside the public index.php, and inside this CSS folder and JS folder, okay. Next, coming to configuration folder. Configuration folder. Configuration folder to stores the configuration settings. For example, configuration folder app.php. That means name my Laravel app. Okay. Inside this my Laravel app. You can change the app name and time zone etc. Okay. This one will check Laravel. Inside the Laravel configuration, inside the configuration app.php. Okay. Time zone. And now next coming to database folder. Database folder. Database folder to handles database related files. For example, to includes the migrations, table structure, seeders, that means to dummy data. For example, for this database migrations, create users table.php, that means schema create users function blueprint dollar table. Okay. Inside this dollar table id, dollar table string name, data type. Okay. Okay. Now we'll check Laravel. Inside the Laravel database, inside the database migrations, inside the migrations, okay, create user table. Schema, dollar table and dollar string, dollar table string name. Next coming to env file. Env file to stores the environment variables. Environment variables. That means sensitive data. For example for this, db dot database is equal to mydb. Okay. Next, db dot underline username. That means root. Next, coming to db dot password. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We'll check. Laravel, test Laravel. Inside the test Laravel, .ini file. Inside the .ini file, db name, db database. Okay, db database, db username, db password. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this is very important. Thank you.